God level. Phoenix Blaze.
Jaya.
Man, what happened to rap?
Masongo Samanya. Hey yo, what happened to rap? I-rap ifele esikhotheni bayibulele ngometh manje ungabuzisa ubless buza ukhesipanya ofest or ubuza aka empty the hustler nestisino KO maybe you'll get the answer cause what happened to Quaitos, what happened to house repossessing everything including the house uhambe uyohlala emkhukhwini uhambe ngegayilo enabafana abaningi babangana yi-black cause what happened to Biggie, what happened to Pac ufuna ukuthini ungiswe kahle man we hear ngamagani sintsha sami simengaphandle masoja hlomane donsi kancha ra with the legs of thunder 100 bucks 21st isendleleni bashana sesital igama Mr. Bless bafana manje ngikhalimela inyathi ukuthi angifana bafana 16 pass ngiphala phakathi kwerisla yensango ngibophe ngayo nganantambo
Man, what happened to rap?
alana sekwela makwala wasekho fela ama-veteran beef bayisabakabi stepa nama-vegetarian singa rapper the master rest in peace tunkalakatha mandoza igame ayisekho mnandi manje basitshela ngemali impila bayiphilayo idladla ikara bayidrayivayo abasarephila abafana mabese ngibafundise bayeke ukucoca inganekwane tishela bless ithi ngibakhomba ubani ugeneral khokha igana ukhokha umoya nemali ngingafanelanga bless from a west PTA represent salelwe ZB ngihlala ngirepresent ikasi mamelodi tulimpopo sinyathela abathakathi bonke abasiminyele sibajube the s ngemimeseleli hlanya le rap ngibhema insango namasipha i-10 I'm 10 times high and sick isibhedlela se-upstairs Jesus Christ ungibisa umakhi mengibheme kakhulu phinda futhi ujesu ungibisa umakhi mengibheme kakhulu it's now or never.
Man, what happened to rap?
Alento ngayiqala kanzima nganaplani ngasukuthi ngiyoya kubani for a deal ngamithi capital C young pro Meki Castro Costi bright color show when I talk up a try LMNX I got Phoenix Kill and I got Dr. Phil Green Gang Capital Uptown MG we got no fancy things push with small peas ngene kasi manje we in mamelodi push passion Pitori representing ngondo yami tshele kuba mahita yiboshwa bengisonoba fake ekhanda ngibafalele kuma-brain cells donsi attention enganantambo ngomic no-beat shaya ngaphakathi ngiba ngomsindo njenge-tin fish survivor take-off-all track ngenza konke ngomakayipha mongakholwa amongakholwa full isayfa ngisobashiya bamendaweni eyi-1 njenge-wifi
Man, what happened to rap?
engasongivusa amanyala wena abantu awuzi eyasa bomrapper bano basensa botuchain bahlala ba-ofinyongo ngathi abana Colgate mesibanyela bashike bathi sine-apartheid idlosile simanje baluphahla ngecocaine leyi-rap akusiyibhola ngisanga ngokudlala moyinkomo ngikuphula amaphondo ngeqatar so what happened to rap i-16 pass ayisashaywa sekushaywa amadela amabeef ayasatshwa mabafuthseke laba basimoshela i-rap akusuka i-beef manje ngibakhombisa ubani isilwane leli dlapha ngihlangahlanganisa umrapper nefeni lakhe ngene ngiphula i-air condition mangibekela kwi-striker mese bashintsha i-position okay what happened to rap ubless uzoyivusa nge-praying promotion gig bazongibiza kasi gig stealing show stealing wame ngihamba ngitshontsha ama-fan islahe ister phakathi kokudla dihlek awujoshua do kind of swag futek hawungintsha yakhona umsila ngushiye ketanini ngibhusuka bhova nentsha sami mese sipanini Phoenix Flame mfana sibizela umrifithi abona abanamanga awathe